How you doing? Me and old Bird Man Jr. We're gonna try to climb all the way up to the top of this creek right here. You see that? And we got this guy right here. We'll back up in case the snake tries to come down on us. But let it do what it do.
I'm jacking full of lead.
And we're gonna roll out.
Kerry Davis tried to find it with his damn four-wheeler. I got you down here, Bob. It's all good. Damn, we didn't even tell you to be careful. Be careful, Bob. Damn, my toes are sweating in these berries. Boy, they probably don't smell like shit when I get done with them. What you think, Matt? Ain't gonna sit either. Oh, now! Be careful, baby. God, I don't like this. It's too intense. Oh, he's got it now. No, don't say that. Good job. Now I gotta do this.
And to correct Adam's story earlier, Kyle Torrance was too scared to climb that one.
Yeah, Kyle Torrance was scared to climb this one. He climbed this little bitty one.
Yeah, he climbed the one over beside of it.
Be Hildreth!
Buck made it.
You know what we get for that? That's dope, man. What the fuck?
Let's do this shit, Bird Man. You ready?
Hold on 1 minute.